Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Vanguard to invest. First, you'll need to open an account, which typically takes around 15 minutes online. Decide on the best account type for your goals, such as a Roth IRA for retirement savings or a standard brokerage account for general investing. Once your account is set up, you'll fund it. Many Vanguard mutual funds have an initial minimum investment of $3,000, so be prepared for that initial deposit. Now that your account is funded, it's time to choose your investments. Vanguard is renowned for its low-cost index funds and exchange-traded funds, or ETF, which offer broad market exposure. If you prefer a simpler approach, target date funds automatically adjust their asset allocation over time. Remember to diversify your portfolio across different asset classes, like stocks and bonds, to help manage risk and align with your financial objectives. Managing your Vanguard portfolio effectively involves a few key practices. Setting up automatic investments is a smart way to contribute consistently without thinking about it, leveraging dollar-cost averaging. Periodically, you should rebalance your portfolio to ensure it stays aligned with your initial asset allocation strategy. Finally, regularly monitor your investments and be prepared to make adjustments as your financial goals or risk tolerance change over time. To further enhance your investing journey with Vanguard, consider diving into tax-efficient strategies, especially for taxable accounts, to maximize your long-term returns. Vanguard also offers a wealth of educational resources, from articles to webinars, to help you make informed decisions and deepen your financial knowledge. And for those looking for a truly transformative read, check the description below for a link to a book that can profoundly change how you think about money, along with other valuable deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.